Today we have the Infinix Note 40 Pro with us. While a lot is being said about its charging capability, we thought about testing its camera for you. So, do take a look at the photos and videos and tell us what do you think. The camera has different modes: normal, portrait, super night. It also has additional features like panorama, super macro, sky shot, and even AR shots to create avatars. And of course, the AI color enhancement. When it comes to shooting videos, you can record in 2K 30 FPS in both front and rear camera. Apart from this, for the highest resolution, you can record in 1080p in both 60 and 30 FPS for both front and rear camera. So now that you've seen all photos and videos from this phone, did you like them? Do tell us in the comments below.